हेलो स्टूडेंट, इस वीडियो में ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ 1,2-डायोल, ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ कीटोन, ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ एल्डिहाइड, ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ एमीन्स, ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ सल्फोक्साइड एंड बेयर विलिकर रीअरेंजमेंट के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। फर्स्ट, ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ 1,2-डायोल। ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ 1,2-डायोल टेक प्लेस बाय लेट टेट्राएसिडेट पर आयोडेट एंड स्टेरिक अमोनियम नाइट्रेट when syn-diols are oxidized faster than anti-diols. In case of syn-diol, where two hydroxy group present in cis position, then mechanism take place in this manner. But when trans-diol is present, then mechanism take place in this manner. Now, so here bond break takes place and late tetraacetate is used for the cleavage of diol bond breaking, and here oxidation take place of diol and aldehyde and ketone is obtained. Oxidation with perdiode. In this condition, cis cycloalkane 1,2-diol react with about 25 times faster than its trans isomer. Means cis 1,2-diol react with faster than trans diol. So H5 periodate H5IO6 react with trans diol and mechanism take place in this manner. Here this bonding break and aldehyde and ketones are obtained. Steric ammonium nitrate is also used for the oxidation of 1,2-diol, and here this bond is break and ketones and aldehyde is obtained. Then now discuss oxidation of aldehyde. Oxidation of aldehyde takes place by potassium dicarbonate, silver oxide, Ag2O, Cannizzaro reaction and Tisenko reaction. So by the reagent, aldehyde convert into carboxylic acid. Then silver oxide is selective oxidation of aldehyde. Here aldehyde with here when alpha beta unsaturated here such as carbon double bond multiple bond present, then silver oxide only oxidize aldehyde into carboxylic acid, and when keto aldehyde is react with silver oxide, then keto acid is obtained. So it is selective oxidation for the oxidation of aldehyde. So it not convert keto group into carboxylic group. Then aldehyde which do not possess alpha hydrogen atoms undergo disproportion reaction with concentrate NaOH या concentrate base. This is called Cannizzaro reaction. In this reaction, when same या different aldehyde react which do not possess alpha hydrogen, then this proportion reaction take place and one aldehyde convert into one aldehyde oxide and one aldehyde reduce. So one aldehyde convert into acid and another is alcohol. So this is Cannizzaro reaction. This is Cannizzaro reaction is the characteristic property of aldehyde. Here hydride shift is possible and presence of carbonyl hydrogen is must. And in this reaction, this proportion reaction take place and one molecule oxide and another molecule of aldehyde is reduced and form salt of acid and alcohol of the corresponding carbonyl compound. सो इसमें मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है, जिस पर OH माइनस अटैक करेगा वो सॉल्ट ऑफ एसिड बनाएगा व दूसरा एल्कोहल बनाएगा, अर्थात जिस पर न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन आसानी से हो वो सॉल्ट ऑफ एसिड एंड सेकेंड एल्कोहल. देन टिसेनको रिएक्शन. टिसेनको रिएक्शन इज एक्सटेंशन ऑफ Cannizzaro रिएक्शन एंड प्रोडक्ट इज एस्टर and reagent is aluminum ethoxide या alumina या Na2FeCO4 is used. Here 2 moles या 1 different aldehyde या same aldehyde react and this converted into ester. This is called Tisenko reaction. Discuss about the oxidation of ketones. Oxidation of ketones take place by nitric acid या alkaline cheminophore by halogens in alkanes which is called haloform reaction. Per acid which is called Baeyer-Villiger rearrangement. This is most important rearrangement. So oxidation of ketones by nitric acid या cheminophore, then it converted into carboxylic acid, then by halogens in alkyl. Ketones having alpha methyl group give haloform reaction with X2OH minus. When This ketone it react with Br2OH minus, then this product is formed and this in presence of base and this compound is formed, and here acid plus Cbr minus 3 present, and here proton transfer take place, so CHBr3 and anion of acid is formed and this react with H plus and acid form. So by halogen reaction या ketones having alpha methyl group give haloform reaction and alkyl trihalide is formed and acid is formed by the oxidation of ketone. Most important Beer-Villiger rearrangement. This is used for the oxidation of ketones. It is oxy-incineration reaction. Here, when ketone react with per acid, then ester is obtained, and cyclic ketone react with per acid, then cyclic ester and lactones is formed. Per acid may be CH3, COOH, C6H5CO3H, metachloropropbenzoic acid, TFAA or caro acid. Urea H2O2 and H2O2OH minus. These reagents are generally not used in Beer-Villiger oxidation because when alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl are used, then epoxidation form be take place by this reagent. Hydrogen peroxide in presence of basic medium and urea in presence of hydrogen peroxide. Here when alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound used, then epoxidation take place. If migrating group is chiral, then should be retention in conjugation take place. The reactivity electron withdrawal group in per acid and electron releasing group in ketones increase the rate of reaction of the reaction. Migrated aptitude tertiary alkyl, फिर cyclohexyl, secondary alkyl, benzyl, hydrogen, aryl, 1 degree alkyl, cyclopropyl and methyl. 3 डिग्री 2 डिग्री एंड 1 डिग्री एल्किल में 3 डिग्री का सबसे ज़्यादा, फिर 2 डिग्री, फिर 1 डिग्री. फिनाइल एंड मिथाइल ग्रुप दे होता हूँ तो फिनाइल का सबसे ज़्यादा माइग्रेटेड एप्टीट्यूड होता है. In this mechanism, carrying statin is formed as the intermediate. When H plus attack on the oxygen of carbonyl group and protonation take place at the carbonyl oxygen, and then per acid attack on the carbonyl carbon and this electron migrate towards. So carrying intermediate take place and here slow या RDS take place. Here carbon to oxygen migration, anisotropic concentrated mechanism, intermolecular mechanism take place. So no crossover product is formed. So here this possible and here ester is formed. So in this slow step carbon to oxygen migration, so this bond is migrate towards this oxygen and this compound is formed, and here electron is migrate toward carbonyl oxygen and ester is formed. So slow step is the rate determining step. In this step carbon to oxygen migration take place. This is anisotropic concentrated intermolecular reaction. Here no crossover product is formed. In this compound when react with per acid, then insertion oxygen insertion take place towards phenyl group, not methyl group, क्योंकि migrated aptitude phenyl group का है. Now discuss oxidation of primary amine. Aliphatic primary amine, aromatic primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine react with hydrogen peroxide. Then aliphatic primary amine react with hydrogen peroxide, then convert into oxime. And in this mechanism, when hydrogen peroxide in presence of benzene when react, so OH minus is removed and this compound is formed. And this compound also remove hydrogen ion, so an hydroxyl amine is formed which react with hydrogen peroxide and then oxime compound is formed. But when primary amine react with trifluoroperacid, then this convert into nitro compound. Second, aromatic primary amine react with K2S2 in aqueous H2SO4, then NH2 convert into nitroso compound. But it react with anhydrous per acetic acid, यानी ट्राइफ्लोरो acetic acid, then it convert into amine group into नाइट्रो ग्रुप. बट तो ध्यान रखने की, तो K2H2O2 के साथ इन एक्वस मीडियम में करेगा तो नाइट्रोस में चेंज होता है, बट एनहाइड्रस पर एसिड के साथ करेगा तो नाइट्रो कंपाउंड में चेंज करता है. देन सेकेंडरी अमीन also react with hydrogen peroxide and hydroxyl amine is formed. Here this nitrogen attack on and this the electron migrate towards. So this compound is formed, which on remove of hydrogen ion and hydroxyl amine is formed. Tertiary amine also react with also oxidize with hydrogen peroxide and amine oxide is formed. Oxidation of hydrogen take place when it react with copper 2 plus ion, then it convert into phenyl hydrogen react with copper 2 plus ion, then it convert into benzene. But phenyl hydrogen react with 2Cl2, then it convert into benzene diazonium salt में convert हो जाता है. Now oxidation of sulfoxide. when sulfide react with hydrogen peroxide या sodium iodate, then it convert firstly sulfoxide and excess amount of hydrogen peroxide या sodium iodate take place, then convert into sulfone. Similarly, when sulfide is react with KMnO4 and peracid, then it convert into sulfone. So oxidation of sulfide take place by hydrogen peroxide या sodium iodate या KMnO4 या peracid या ozone, and then convert into sulfoxide, and excess amount of this reagent take place, then it convert into directly sulfone. Oxidation of carboxylic acid. First, photochemical decomposition of carboxylic acid take place by late theta acetate in chloroform media. When this compound containing carboxylic acid react with late theta acetate in chloroform media, then photochemical decomposition of carboxylic take place and CO2 is removed, and this change is cyclobutane. But when late theta acetate and lithium aluminum react with carboxylic acid, then it convert into CH2 group is Cl group. When late theta acetate in pyridine react with compound containing carboxylic group, so here removal of CO2 take place and this convert into double bond. So carbon double bond carbon formed by this oxidation of this compound by late theta acetate in pyridine medium, because here CO2 is removed and here double bond is. So here late theta acetate react. So late theta acetate minus PbOAc for OAc remove and it. So here this bond is take place इधर ये इधर. So this CO2 is remove and late diacetate remove plus acetic acid remove and unsaturated double bond is formed. Now alpha hydroxy acid containing compound react with late theta acetate, then also ketone is obtained. So here late theta acetate react, so this compound is formed and this is converted into late diacetate plus acetone या ketones plus CO2 plus acetic acid. So different reagent containing late theta acetate with different reagent give different compound. When late theta is lithium aluminum, this converts COH into Cl. Late theta is pyridine, when two carboxyl group in adjacent, so C double bond C is formed. When alpha hydroxy acid react with late theta state, then aldehyde and ketone is formed.